Okay, here we go. All right. Good luck. So we're all base in that pack. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I can get that one. Javier Hernandez, Hulk. I got that. Nani. Thanks, Martinez. Mario Kempis, World Cup Stars. Brian Ruiz, I got that one. Vincent Company, I got that one. There's a gold red Prism Natal poster. Base. Switzerland team card. Red. 114 of 149. Yaya. I like Yaya. Another Prism, red and gold. That is Hellas, Greece. Hellas, Greece. Ecuador team. Netfinders, Mario Mandzukic from Croatia. Tranquilo Barnetta from Switzerland. Red, white, and blue. There's a Drogba and a Messi. Another one, not a Prism. Base. Matchups. Di Maria and Alves. Polino, Hugo. Gianluigi Buffon. There you go. Cup captains for Italia. The base. No auto yet. Philip Lam, Cup Captains. And some base. Iker Casillas. Red Prism. 62 of 149 for Spain. None in this box, no. But yes, 2 autos out of the case. Drogba and Fernando Torres. Netfinders. Samuel Eto'o. Base. Another Mario Mandzukic, or Mandzukic, red and gold. And your base. Base. Super laggy. How's everyone? Just started a minute ago. Hey Nelson, we haven't done any more boxes of break boxes yet. Frank Ribery, Prism. It is recording, so I don't know what the deal is with the lag. Portugal team card. Base. Say another red and gold Prism. Montolivio. Good night, Bobby. I'll be in a minute. Please, go. I'll be there. John Obi Mikel, Prism. Base. 3 to go. Yes, Alpine. Keylor Navas, Guardians. Base. Did it, is it any better? Did it pick back up? Javier Hernandez, World Cup Stars. Ronaldo. Marco Reus, red, white, and blue X Factor. And that's the last pack. Thank you, Alpine.
Love Pandora?